Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study data engineering. We'll cover essential steps to build a strong foundation. Begin by grasping the fundamental concepts of data engineering and the various roles within the field. Next, focus on mastering key programming languages such as Python and SQL, which are crucial for data manipulation. Finally, delve into data modeling and the basics of different database systems to understand data storage. Building on your foundation, prioritize mastering SQL for efficient data querying and manipulation across various databases. Simultaneously, develop robust Python programming skills, as it's a primary language for scripting, automation, and data processing. Don't forget to study data structures and algorithms. They are vital for writing optimized and scalable code in data engineering.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable. You can find the link for Darn Tough socks and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Next, immerse yourself in modern data platforms and tools. Gain hands-on experience with major cloud providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud Platform, understanding their data services. Focus on data warehousing concepts and extract, transform, load, or ETL processes. Additionally, learn about big data technologies, including Apache Spark for distributed data processing. Practical experience is paramount. Start building end-to-end data pipelines from ingestion to analysis, applying all your learned skills. Consider contributing to open-source data projects to gain real-world collaboration experience. Finally, compile a comprehensive portfolio that effectively showcases your projects and technical abilities to potential employers. This demonstrates your practical understanding.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.